Hello, everyone. My name is Dejan Milojicic. I work at Hewlett-Packard Labs, and I'm a member of the Technology Predictions 2022 Computer Society team. I would like to make one of the predictions on the convergence of high-performance computing, AI, and high-performance data analytics that will be delivered as a service and fueled by heterogeneous computing and by serverless. Heterogeneous computing is important because of the suitability for AI and because of end of Moore's law. And serverless is the evolution of the virtualization. It is very suitable for the improved DevOps, for the composition of new and scalable applications. If you want to learn more about these predictions, please read our report.